Alright, this is actually for real, the very last video of this tutorial. I'm going a little bit backwards in a way. You'll understand as I go along. I already put the gems on this side, and it took a while for the paint or the glue to dry, so I thought I'd show you how I decorate them. I use Prismacolor. It's these markers. Any kind of alcohol ink, permanent markers will work too. And you just color in your little gems. I like orange on the blue because it just shows up really nice. I think a yellow would look good here. I got these gems at Walmart. I think I want a darker blue. Some of them I might leave white. So cute! Alright, I already did the gems on the side ones. I haven't colored those yet, but I will. I'm just going to turn it over and put it down gently. I like using the Crafter's Precision Glue because if you use the fabric tack, for some reason it makes it look crackly underneath the gems. I don't like that look. Oh, and this is from my silhouette. It's got a little sticky thing on the end and like a little pokey thing there. I'm just placing them before I glue them. I like to go with an uneven number. Well, it's 12 of them. Let's put the other one. I think I have one right here, so why not? I'll put another one right here. I think that look cute. Okay, I'm left-handed, so I better start over here. And it takes a little while for this glue to dry, so you can move it around. It doesn't take that long though. I think I waited 30 minutes. This is the first time I've ever used the varnish on this project, and I like it. It gives it a nice shiny look to it. I think it makes it look better than my other ones that I made. And it seems to dry pretty clear, so I don't think it really, you can see it, because when I press, some of the glue goes out. I'll let the glue dry, and then I will color those in. I don't know why this one keeps blinking. It's annoying. I guess that one bulb right here. Watch, right when I get them in here, the light will go off again. Alright, let me see what it looks like. It's cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. It's so pretty. And I made matching everything. Here is a box that I made with cereal boxes. It matches. It's got scrap paper in there right now. And then I made this to go in the box. It's a little photo album. Same material, everything, all the same paints. And then I also did this little journal to put little fairy buttons on it. And this is for, it's got an envelope, little pockets. Got this from, this idea from Genevieve Designs. She's got great tutorials. I added paper in here for writing. So that's that. It all matches. So I'm going to bring this down here so you can see better detail. If I can get this off here. There it is. Like I said, I have my decal over top of everything, but I think the best idea would be to put the tissue paper on and then the decal and then Mod Podge all over it. And here's the sides. One side. And that side. I'm going to color all of those. And here's the top. Yay! Let's see what it looks like. Like this. There's with the colors. I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe and share it. And find me on Facebook because I would love to see your projects. Bye.